How to customize burritos in Chipotle. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use to customize burrito. It's just super easy because you build it step by step right in front of the staff or in the application, and here's how you do it. So we can just go over and look out for burrito, for example. This is the one, and we can look out for how to make it. So you can choose up what you would like. You can choose out with the flour tortilla. So go ahead and choose up one and pick up your base as well. So here we have different items that we can add to our burrito, for example, protein or veggie, what you would like. So you can choose your protein or veggie, for example, chicken or pasta. And once it is done, your rice, what rice you would like, white rice, brown, black, or pinto, what option is available, you can choose it. Once it is done, you can check up your beans as well. We have a beans option. You can choose black beans or pinto beans. You can select the one or none as well. We also have an option of none to choose none. After that is done, we can choose up what we would like to top the things off with. We have different options available here, such as cilantro lime sauce, guacamole, fresh tomato salsa, and many more. So you can choose the one, for example, guacamole and fresh tomato salsa, sour cream, cheese as well, and many more options. Apart from that, we have this option of double wrap with tortilla. This is the one that is for now. We only have one option. You can choose that one, and then you can choose what chips and dips you would like. For example, chips and guacamole, fresh tomato salsa, and many more options. For example, let's say this is the one. Once it is done, you can choose up single size. What side we would like, such as let's say this large red city salsa, we can choose that option. And what high protein cups we would like, just go and choose that one. After that is done, you can just go over and click on this option called find a Chipotle and provide in a state or zip near you. And once it is done, you just need to look out for the nearby location for you. And you know, even add up a description such as add wrap it tightly if you want it neat, and many more options. You can just go over and add the items that you would like to have for your burrito and choose up a store near you, and you can just go over and order everything in the Chipotle website or the application and customize it this way. So that is it, everybody. For now, you can just go and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.